authorized driver to drive PUV. Failure to provide fair discount to those entitled under existing laws. Failure to provide the LTFRB with complete, correct, and updated operators information. Failure to display no smoking signage and or allowing personnel or passenger to smoke inside the vehicle. Fast, tempered, defective taximeter operating without or with an old steel taximeter. Remarks, second offense plus 30 days and the impound, third offense plus cancellation of CPC.
Next, allowing an authorized driver to drive PUV. Sino ba yung driver na hindi allowed mag-drive ng isang PUV? Diba? Diba? Ang hindi allowed mag-drive ng isang public utility vehicle is a non-professional driver license. Supposedly kapag daw driver ng isang PUV, dapat isang professional driver license holder. Mga yan, something sa yun. Then, allowing authorized failure to provide fair discount to those entitled under the system. Sino ba yung dapat makatanggap ng mga fair discount? Senior citizen, student, PWD. Failure to provide complete, correct, and updated operator information. Gaya sa LTFRB. Sa likod ng mga public utility vehicle, yun makita ng driver or bilang tools. Diba? Rota, Alina, Tolong, Rojas.